Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Breese, local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing to hire us for your long-distance move means you gain access to the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. If you're ready to move, our professional movers will get you to where you need to go faster. We know how to make your move happen quickly, no matter the distance. When you're ready to move a state or two over, or even across the country, we're ready to help you. With the right Illinois moving company, you'll get the services you need for your local move. It's a big job to move, even if it's just a few houses over. You don't have to worry about the hard work when you hire the professional movers you need. 3 Movers offers the best movers you will find. We streamline the entire process and offer a great local moving option. If a move would take you 3 days to complete, we can get it done in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Breeze moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.